In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming black screen, browsing fix, DNS, NAT, and app troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check internet connection. Ensure you are having a stable and high-speed internet connection. Poor connectivity can lead to black screen. You have to regularly check your network status to avoid disruption. Fix 2. Clear browser data. For that, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete key to open the Clear Browsing Data menu, or you just have to click on the three dot and move to the settings, and here click on Privacy and Security. And here you can see a Delete Browsing Data option. You just have to click on that and check all the boxes here, then click on Delete Data. Once that is done, you just have to restart the browser. Fix 3. Disable browser extension. Open the settings and then extension. Then here you just have to disable all the extension. Fix 4. Update your device and app. For that, Windows, you have to open the settings. Open it, and here you can see a option called Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, and here you have to click on Check for updates. If any update is available, you just have to install it. Once that is done, you just have to restart your PC. Then update your Xbox. For that, you have to open the Microsoft Store, and here you have to move to the library option. Then here you have to click on Then here you have to look for Xbox. Then if any update is available, you just have to click on the update button. On Android, you have to open the Google Play Store and search for Xbox and tap on the update if any update is available. On iPhone or iPad, you have to open the Apple's App Store, or then you have to tap on profile icon in the top right corner and scroll down to available update section. Then tap on the update next to the Xbox. Fix 5. Fix Xbox app. For that, you have to open the Windows settings. For that, you can press Windows plus I button to open the settings, and here you have to click on apps and click on install apps and locate the Xbox. So here is the Xbox. Just you have to click on the three dots, click on that and click on advanced option. So here you have to scroll down, and here you can see a reset option, repair and reset. You just have to click first of all repair and then click on reset. Once that is done, it will process. You have to wait, and again you have to reopen the Xbox app again. So doing this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.